Today we're going to be talking about how to take care of the eye area with safer products. So the first thing we're going to be talking about is how to diminish fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. Most people know that you need an eye cream, but I have recently discovered an eye elixir, and I had never tried this before, but I absolutely love this eye elixir. This is from Oliveda, and it is the F64 Corrective Eye Elixir. So the trick with Oliveda with reading the labels is that F stands for face. So F64, F means face, so it's going to go on your face. And 64 means it's the 64th product that Oliveda came out with. So that's all that means. An eye elixir is different from, let's say, an eye cream. An eye cream is thicker. We're going to talk about that in just a minute. But an eye elixir is more of a liquid, and I'll show you how it works. So you want to give it a good shake. And then this bottle is going to last you forever because you just need a tiny little bit, just like literally 1 or 2 drops. So I put 1 or 2 drops there on my fingertip. Normally I would do this before applying concealer, but I'm already wearing concealer today because I did not think this through. And you're just gonna tap it in. Now, when you're doing your eye area, you always wanna use what we call your okay fingers. So you wanna use this finger, or this finger, not these two. Why? Because your thumb and your pointer finger have too much pressure in them, and you can tend to pull on that delicate skin in your eye area if you use those fingers. So you wanna use this finger, or this finger when you're working around your eyes. So I usually use my middle finger. I'm just gonna tap that in. Again, normally I would do this before the makeup, but I just wanted to kind of show you how it works. It feels very refreshing, even on top of the makeup. It just feels kind of cooling to the eye area. And this is going to help with fine lines and wrinkles. It especially helps if you have dark circles under your eyes, bags, puffiness, anything like that. It does wonders for that. And I will share some before and after pictures when I'm done here. But that's the Oliveda F64 Eye Elixir. I had never tried an eye elixir. So I was like, I don't know if I need that. Why would I need an eye elixir? I have an eye cream. I'm good. This is a game changer. In fact, if you gave me a choice right now between using an eye cream or an eye elixir, I would use the elixir every time just because of how amazing it feels. So I use this morning and night underneath my makeup. And then for those of you who want a more traditional eye cream, we have a couple of options. One is Oliveda F09 and the other one is F60. Now, again, F means face, so these both go on your face, they go on your eye area. F09 means it's the 9th product that we ever came out with, and then F60 means it's the 60th. What is the difference? That's a good question. The labels, you can see this has a black label, and this has a gold label. So the gold label just means that it has more hydroxytyrosol, more corrective or like maturing skin, anti-aging type properties. That's what that's supposed to mean, but I'm gonna be totally honest with you right here. I cannot tell the difference between these two products. If you gave me like a blind test and you had me use these two, I would not know which is which. To me, they are exactly the same. They smell the same. They do the same thing. They feel about the same. They're about like the same thickness. I cannot tell the difference. I'm just being 100% honest. I can't tell the difference. So it doesn't matter which one you pick. That's the good news, is that it doesn't matter. I feel like Oliveda has several products that are so similar that they're almost redundant. And this is one of those cases where it's like, which eye cream should I get? Should I get the F09 Anti-Wrinkle eye cream, or should I get the F60 Corrective eye cream? And the answer is, yeah, either one, doesn't matter. So that is the eye cream situation. But again, if I had a choice, I would pick the eye elixir. Now you can do both. If you were gonna do both at the same time, you would do the elixir first and then the cream, or you could do like one in the morning, one at night, whatever works for you. But I would say if you could only buy one, buy the elixir, because you're gonna be blown away at what it does. That's how we take care of the skin around our eyes. And the next thing is to think about what we do with our brows. So this morning I went downstairs and my youngest daughter was like, something's different about your eyes. She thought that it was my mascara, and I was like, nope, it's my brows. I didn't do my brows this morning. This is my go-to brow product. This is from RMS Beauty, and I got a new one, so I'm going to show you. It comes like so long. This pencil is so long. This is the brow pencil. It's called Back2Brows, and it comes with a cute little sharpener that opens here, and then you can empty it out and clean it out. And then it comes with the pencil, which has pencil on one end and the spoolie on the other end. I'll show you how it works. I'm gonna use my old one that is much shorter. I'm gonna use it up before I start using that new one. So to do your brows, you always want to brush upward first. Now, maybe you were someone who kind of tweezed a long time ago and the brows never fully came back. That's okay. RMS has a couple of products that are going to help you with that. Number one is the pencil, and then there's also a brow kit that has like a brow powder that you can fill in any sparse areas. I'm just going to see if I can do this. Nope, I can't do it in my phone. I can't see well enough, so I'm going to grab the mirror. And so after you've brushed the brows up, you just want to take like little feather-like strokes and kind of pencil it in. You see how that's filling in? Pencil in. You want to kind of like create the shape that you're going for, and then just continue to fill it in with the pencil. And the key is feather-like strokes, just really light touch strokes. You don't want to go too heavy with the brows because then it does look really overdone, but you do want to have some brows. Like you can see the difference right there already, just with that little bit that I've done. So why do we care so much about brows? Well, the brows frame your face, and they especially frame your eyes, and they make your makeup look just so much more pulled together. So you see that difference already just between the two, and that's just with this one pencil. That's all it is. So you can go back in and add more if you want a little bit more, if you want it to be fuller, if you want it to be darker, if you want to reshape it, whatever. So that's how you do it. And then you take the spoolie and you again brush up, always brushing up with the brows. You can shape a little on the top like that if you want, but that's it. So super easy, and it's clean. I love this brand, RMS Beauty. I'll link it for you. So this is my favorite clean product for making your brows look really polished and just pulling your whole look together. You can see just how much different that looks. Whoops, that's the before and that's the after. Okay, so those are the two products that I have for you today. Is the F69 Eye Elixir from Oliveda to help with dark circles and puffiness under your eyes, and then the RMS Back2Brow Pencil, and I will link them both for you. As always, if you have questions or if you want to meet with me one-on-one, I will put my link to my Zoom here and would love to chat with you for 15 minutes and we can talk about all things clean beauty. Okay, I'm gonna go finish my other brow so I don't look weird like this for the rest of the day. I love you. I'm so glad you were here watching with me, and thanks for your support. I'll talk to you soon.